Gentlemen, did you know that the secret to sharper focus, stronger performance, and balanced health might be hiding in your backyard? It's not a supplement, not a pill, and definitely not a fad, it's avocado leaves. Welcome to Pure Health through food. If you're new, great to have you here. If you're back, welcome again. While most people toss them aside, avocado leaves have been used for centuries in traditional medicine across Central and South America. Rich in antioxidants, flavonoids, and anti-inflammatory compounds, these dark green leaves are now being brewed into tea, and science is beginning to catch up with what ancient cultures already knew. Let's explore how this humble leaf can offer powerful health benefits, especially for men. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly gives these leaves their power? Avocado leaves are packed with phytochemicals, including quercetin, a potent antioxidant known for fighting inflammation, flavonoids, which protect cells from oxidative stress, phenols, which help combat harmful bacteria and free radicals, and alkaloids, which may contribute to blood sugar and pressure regulation. They also contain trace minerals like magnesium, zinc, and potassium, essential for nerve function, muscle performance, and overall male vitality. It's nature's pharmacy wrapped in a single leaf. Inflammation and oxidative stress are two key factors that contribute to prostate problems. Regular consumption of avocado leaf tea may support a healthy prostate, helping reduce discomfort, swelling, and the risk of more serious conditions as men age. Some studies suggest that the antioxidants in avocado leaves can help the body regulate hormone levels. For men, that means potential support for healthier testosterone production, critical for maintaining energy, muscle mass, libido, and overall vitality, especially after age 30. Men are statistically more likely to experience kidney stress due to high-protein diets, dehydration, or high blood pressure. Avocado leaf tea acts as a natural diuretic, helping flush out toxins, reduce uric acid buildup, and ease kidney workload, which supports long-term renal health. Men often carry stress silently, and that can wreak havoc on mental and physical health. Avocado leaves are rich in serotonin-boosting compounds, which can help relax the nervous system, reduce anxiety, and promote deeper, more restorative sleep, key to muscle repair and mental clarity. Heart disease remains the leading cause of death among men, but the flavonoids in avocado leaves may help. These compounds improve blood circulation, lower blood pressure, and reduce cholesterol levels, offering powerful cardiovascular protection when paired with a healthy lifestyle. Recent studies have begun to shed light on the science behind avocado leaf tea's benefits, especially for men's health. Research shows that the leaves are rich in bioactive compounds like quercetin, polyphenol, and flavonoids, which exhibit strong antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties. Some laboratory and animal studies suggest these compounds can help regulate blood pressure, support liver and kidney function, and even influence hormone balance. While human trials are still limited, the growing body of evidence supports traditional uses of avocado leaves as a natural remedy, especially for age-related health concerns men commonly face. Making avocado leaf tea is simple yet powerful. Start by rinsing 3 to 5 dried avocado leaves, then boil them in about 2 cups of water for 10 to 15 minutes. Let it steep, then strain and enjoy warm. For the best results, men can drink it once daily, preferably in the evening to support relaxation, hormone balance, and restorative sleep, or in the morning to promote detox and circulation. Just be sure to use organic, pesticide-free leaves and consult your doctor if you're taking medications or managing a health condition. Avocado leaf tea has a mild, earthy taste. Some say it's slightly herbal with a smooth, smoky finish, similar to green tea but less bitter. It's easy to drink on its own or with a touch of honey or lemon. While it's generally safe in small amounts, some people may experience mild digestive upset or allergic reactions, especially if they're sensitive to plants in the Lauraceae family. It's also important not to overconsume, as high doses haven't been well studied in humans, and always use clean, properly dried leaves. Who should avoid it? Men with existing liver or kidney conditions, those taking blood pressure or blood-thinning medications, or anyone with allergies to avocado or similar plants should consult a healthcare provider before using avocado leaf tea. It's also best avoided by those with sensitive stomachs or autoimmune conditions unless approved by a professional, since the tea may stimulate the immune response or affect digestion. Avocado leaf tea is more than just a traditional remedy, it's a natural, nutrient-rich option that may support men's health in powerful ways, from the prostate and kidneys to the heart, hormones, and mind. While it's not a magic cure, incorporating this ancient tea into a balanced lifestyle could be a simple step toward long-term wellness. As always, listen to your body, stay informed, and choose what supports your health journey best. So before you overlook those avocado leaves again, think twice. A simple cup of avocado leaf tea might just be the natural boost your body's been waiting for. Strong roots, stronger health, it's time to brew your power from the leaf up. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health tips and wellness advice, be sure to subscribe to PureHealth through food and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.